I think are you busy, right?
Yes.
Oh, so what are you doing right now?
Now I'm doing live.
Yeah, I can see. So may I know where from?
I'm from Bangladesh, Dhaka. And you?
Oh, what is your district name?
Dhaka, Dhaka.
Oh, this is the capital of Bangladesh, right?
Yes, you from?
Yeah. So can you guess my country? If you don't mind, can you guess my country? I think
You
you.
from Bangladesh,
Yeah,
not
of course.
from Dhaka.
You can see my location, right?
No, I'm not watching your location. I'm just
You'll. I.
guess.
I'm talking. You look at my face and you guess my country, right?
Yeah.
Same too. Same too. First of all, I say. First of all, I say you and guess your country.
You look Bengali, okay? So I guess you are from Dhaka, you from Bangladesh.
Yeah, same too. So may I know how old are you? I think.
I'm 28.
Oh, so if you don't
You
mind,
are?
yeah, please tell.